Hey everybody, so you have the iPhone 10, one of the best smartphone cameras around. You have an awesome selfie camera, and on the back you have a 12 megapixel camera, two of them actually, that can produce stunning shots. But what if you want to take 360 photos? Yeah, you can buy a standalone VR camera, or you can buy this, the PanoClip. So a PanoClip, it's all China as usual, and it's a plastic accessory that you slap on top of your iPhone to turn it into a 360 camera. How it works is it uses the phone's front and back cameras to take two photos at once, and then after that, the PanoClip software will stitch the two shots together to produce one single 360 photos. So check it out right now. I'm gonna give you a test. You just have to tap on the button. It takes a little bit of time because it's using two photos, and then right here it has to stitch. So once it stitches together though, you have the result right here. It's a pretty seamless 360 photo. Check it out. You can zoom around. It's a little bit bright right now because I'm in a really bright setting, but generally photo quality is really good. This is not my shot. This is one of the sample shots I was in the camera. Now this is my shot. This is from WWDC. So you see this is in a dark venue, so you see the photo quality is a little bit not as good. But then now again, if you shoot it under good daylight, this is an amazing shot right here, considering that it's not a real VR camera. So I really like that you can also add filters to your photos. So I really like that you can go to different colors. I really like the sketch filter right here too. You can also add stickers to your photos. You have a bunch of different effects to choose from, and once you put them on there, it actually stays into that photo as part of the 360 scene. So that's pretty cool, I think. PanoClip has made sharing easy too. All you do is tap on that share button, and then you see you have no shortage of options here for Facebook, Instagram, all that. So now you might be wondering, Instagram don't let you share 360 photos. So that's why you see here, what PanoClip is doing is turning your 360 photos into a video with special effects. And after that, all you do is 2 clicks and you'll automatically upload to Instagram. So I've already uploaded it, so I'll show you how it looks like right here. So it's pretty cool, right? You see all the special effects. So this is all software processed by PanoClip. So there's a saying that the best camera is the one you have on you. And that's PanoClip in a nutshell. It made the accessory so lightweight that you can carry with you at all times. And because you always have an iPhone on you, that means you always have a 360 camera on you, no matter where you are. So the PanoClip is on sale for $49 US right now. I think that's a pretty good deal considering you're able to take pretty seamless and pretty cool looking 360 photos just as long as you have an iPhone already, which most people do. So if you're interested, check out PanoClip on PanoClip.com. I'll have a link in the description below. I'm definitely going to play around with this as I travel throughout the US. So thanks for watching.